Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through installing a dimmer switch. Not the full book, just the teaser version. 15 minutes of work if you buy the right dimmer for your bulbs. And that is the whole game. Here's the scene. You want the dining room to feel like a restaurant and not a gas station, so you buy a dimmer. You swap it in, flip it on, and the bulbs flicker, or they buzz, or they refuse to dim below half. I'll tell you the single biggest mistake homeowners make on this job. They buy a $12 incandescent dimmer and screw it into an LED circuit. LED dimmers are not incandescent dimmers. They are different electronics. Before you start, confirm the scope. There are 4 dimmer types: basic, incandescent, and halogen, which is $10 and will not run LEDs cleanly. LED compatible, $20, works on incandescent too. Universal, $25. And smart dimmers, $35 to $60, which need a neutral wire in the switch box, and most pre-1990 houses do not have one. Every LED compatible dimmer ships with a compatibility list on the package. Those are the exact bulb brands it was tested with. Match the list or expect flicker. Here's what the job actually looks like. You kill the breaker at the panel. You test the switch with a non-contact voltage tester. Dark, no beep, safe. You pull the cover plate and the existing switch. You identify the 2 hot wires, both on brass screws, plus the ground. You cap the house hots to the dimmer's 2 lead wires with orange wire nuts, and you land the ground on the green screw. If it's a smart dimmer, you also pigtail a neutral lead into the bundle of white wires in the back of the box. If the switch is a 3-way, you've got a common screw plus 2 travelers. The master dimmer lands on the common. The companion switch, which is on-off only, goes at the second location. Never 2 dimmers on one 3-way. They fight each other. You tuck the connections in, screw the dimmer into the box, slide the cover plate on, and flip the breaker. The mistakes that double this job: buying an incandescent dimmer for LED bulbs, ignoring the compatibility list on the package, missing the neutral wire requirement on a smart dimmer and coming back to the hardware store, putting 2 dimmers on a 3-way circuit, and running the total load past the dimmer's wattage rating. One safety stop. If the dimmer needs a neutral and your box has no white wires bundled in it, that's a rewire, not a Saturday project. Switch to a non-neutral dimmer or call an electrician. For the full step-by-step, the 3-way wiring, the flicker troubleshooting guide, and the 4 dimmer comparison, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.